So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2024 unboxing. Again, we are back again after a long period of time of not seeing each other. Today we started the 2024 lineup. We started from the LG. So right now we are going on 86 QNED 86 QNED 86. So the previous model was this model replaced the 86 QNED 81. So now this year 2024 they changed the model number to QNED 86. So ladies and gentlemen, let's begin our journey by unboxing the new baby for 2024. Just a quick reminder, this is like quantum dot plus nano cell. This one stands for the quantum dot, then this will stand for the nano cell technology. It means there is more brightness, there is more colors, and it will be 120 hertz. It's Alpha 9 AI processor 4K. Comes with a built-in Chromecast, built-in receiver, 2.1 HDMI, 120 hertz for the gamers. So it will be perfect for the gaming. And ladies and gentlemen, I'll not take too much of your time, but I'll first tell you to please subscribe to our channel and please press the notification button, because as we are going to unbox more than 20 TVs in this coming few months or few days. So, and another thing, let me not take again your time. Let's start right now to unbox the baby. So this is how we are going to unbox our TV. So they have done that way, but we have another way of doing it. So what I'll tell you that this is coming with 4 HDMI, so this will be 120 hertz, and it will come with one USB here, and believe another USB will be here. Then let's go to the front, and the difference, this will be more slimmer compared to the last year model. So as you remember, I told you that this is Alpha 8 AI processor 4K. Comes with the FreeSync. It will come with the VR. So for the gaming, it's a good catch. So let's prepare our TV to put it on the wall. So the dimensions for this, it will be slimmer compared to the previous model of last year. It will be more slim. So ladies and gentlemen, dear subscribers, this is what you'll find in the box. On the top one book, this will include the remote, cord, the stand, and the cover of this. So right now I'm going to show you how to assemble this. Can you open this, please? I'll show you how to assemble these parts and install on the TV. That's the wire management control, our remote, and this is our screwdrivers that will tie this. Open this. This is book. Yeah, this is the manual. How to install everything. But for today we are going step by step how to install the stand. Though I'm going to install mine on the wall. Open this. Then I'm going to install mine on the wall, but this is just to show our subscribers, in case you're buying the same TV, that you can do it yourself at home, just in case you're going to do the installation on the wall. So let's start step by step. Then I'll install it, I'll remove it later, then that's it. By the way, our dear subscribers, so if you get this TV, if you open it, make sure you put the box down, lay the TV down, so this box will be flat. There is no damages that will come to the TV, rather than putting it somewhere. Or else you can install the TV. If you're going to install the TV on the wall, you can install it from the box from here. Don't remove it in the box, just install the wall bracket. But if you're going to install it down, you rather lie it like that on the box for the safety of your TV. So right now what we are going to do, we are going to install our stand. Comes with this so that's how it's going to be. Just put this like that. After putting it like that, the stand, see, to be like that. So these nails, the screws will be coming here. It will not pass through the down, because down the holes are closed. Okay. Arif?
Yes.
Screwdriver. So I'll do. Okay. You have to make sure that you push the stand at the edge when you insert it. What we'll do, see these two hooks, and this one, these two will enter into these holes. Then these two hooks will come here and will enter firmly. You have to push it. So let's show you how to do it. And that's it. So if you shake, it will be firm. Let's tie it up.
No,
sorry,
no.
just put. They are our subscribers, so this is how we are going to. As you saw, there is two holes, so you can either put it here in this B, or if you install on the second line, which will be here, I'll show it to you later, you can change the screws to this So right now we'll start installing our screws.
Last time Elephant Pro Max 2 दिन आगे सेल करना.
So ladies and gentlemen, we'll start our TV. We'll start our TV. Right. So the new 2024 models comes with this. With the last year that was taught, so the new remote will be the same design, only this button changed. So in case you don't know the differences in the remote, that will be the difference in the remote. And so as it says there, you have to press the OK button or the wheel. This is the wheel or the OK button. So you have to press it. So we are going to set it up in English. See, the magic remote has connected now. So we'll do our English. And for the moment, we are based in the Middle East. So that's like in UAE. If you're in the Middle East or East or North Africa, you can select which country. So we are in Dubai. So the time zone will be for Dubai. And we are going to set it up. You can either use your ThinQ app or you can use the remote control. So I'll use my remote control. That means, and you can select the Wi-Fi of your choice if you have the Wi-Fi. So let me connect mine. Sorry, I'll not show you this part but I'll try to connect this one of these. So I've inserted my password, and let's see. So after inserting in your password, it will bring like that. It's going to bring the terms and conditions, which you have to accept them. So that now that's the terms and conditions. Scroll down. You scroll using this magic remote like that, or else you can do next. Then select accept all, agree, and after that you just do the next. So I'm not going to start in any HDMI or satellite, so I'll just do the none. I'm going to hold it on the mount to put it on the wall. So now this is the difference. If it's without AI picture, the quality of the picture will be showing like that. But if you put the AI picture Pro, you'll see that it will enhance. See that the color is enhanced and the clarity, and the sound is going to enhance if you click this. I think you hear that now it's louder, so the clarity will be more. So I'll activate my Aura is ready. Aura is ready means that even if you don't have the remote, you can say ILG open this application, then it will open for you the application. So then I'll do the next. And this part, as if you can sign in your account, your LG account. This will help you like updating your applications automatically, some which need password and so on. But for this part, I'll also skip. I'm not going to log in any of my account. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. We are introducing you to the 2024 model LG, the world with you. You explore the world. Okay, so I'll choose which ones I want to install. This I'll do it later. I'll install YouTube, OSN, install the applications. And so guys, some of you are asking why is it so down. You can increase the height of the TV. You saw there was 2 holes that were there, so and there we have it. Applications have been installed, and we will go to the home screen. This is the home screen. These applications will be there. So if you want live, it will show you. You go to live, Office, whatever browser. Cancel this. So built-in Apple TV, built-in receiver. So all the applications will be there that are necessary to be used. So this will be the menu. If you want, in case you want to install other applications, you can install from here. It will give you the options to install. So in case you want to change the brightness of your TV, these are some of the applications that will be there. In case you want to change the brightness, sound quality, enhancement, just press this settings button. Then it will bring you to the menu. I'll remove this. It will bring you to the menu. So right now it comes in echo. It will bring you to the menu. If you want to check the brightness, what brightness is, sound, output, eye comfort, so sleep mode. If you want like multiple view, you can do the multiple view, like 2 screens at the same time. So all of those will be there. So you can do 2 screens, but let's go back to the settings. And so I'll set mine in vivid. So see, in vivid it will increase the brightness. It comes with vivid, it comes with the standard, echo, cinema mode, football, filmmaker. So like different settings will be there. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the notification button. This year we are going to bring you more than 20 TVs or 30 TVs like that to be uninstalled. Sorry, to be unboxed. I apologize for my mistake. I love you all. See you in the next video. And please share to your friend, families. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Okay, see you.